in the Parliament Hill, Ottawa. And the occasion, the National Conference of the National Council of Canadian Filipino Associations, or NICFA, which at that time was the umbrella organization of all Filipino organized groups here in Canada. Delegates from the different or various regions of the country were in attendance. That's from coast to coast to coast. I do not remember if Rhys was one of the speakers or resource speakers in that conference, but I do know that for one reason or another, he was there. As a matter of fact, it was at that time that he and Joy met for the first time when they were formally introduced to each other. Joy, who was earlier elected in a general conference as the National Youth Director of the Council, made a spirited presentation on the subject, the Filipino immigrant building bridges between dreams and reality. The Member of Parliament for Winnipeg North at that time, Dr. Ray Pagtakhan, who was also the chairman or president of the council and who later became the Minister of Veterans Affairs of the Christian government, must have been impressed that he gave Joy a tour of the House of Commons. At the same time, Dr. Pagtakhan called me by long distance saying, "Padre, I'm pretty sure that you and Mrs. Pascual must be very proud for having a daughter like Joy. You know, getting a phone call from a member of parliament is no ordinary." So, surprised and honored, all I was able to say was, "Thank you very much, Doctor." The following year, the city of Winnipeg held its annual celebration of Folklorama, or Festival of Nations, the only one of its kind here in Canada. All nations across the globe with nationals residing in the city participated in this great event. Rhys and Joy represented the Nayong Filipino Philippine Pavilion as the male and female ambassadors. This two-week event must have brought them very closely associated with each other, that since then, Rhys has become Joy's regular visitor at home. I remember on a regular daily basis. And I remember too that Rhys liked adobo for dinner, which was cooked, not of course by Joy, but by her mom. And then, one lovely evening, with cool breeze and glittering lights from the silvery moon up in the blue sky, I and Joy's mom, or Nanay, that's how she is called in the family, wondered why all our children, Joy's siblings, gathered at home. There was no family event or occasion to celebrate, no anniversary, no birthday, no nothing, but they were all there. And then the doorbell rang, and after a few minutes of deafening silence, Much to our surprise, Riz came in and walking directly to where Nanay was seated with flowers in his hands. He knelt down and said, "Mrs. Pascual, I am asking permission to marry your daughter, Joy." Their engagement culminated in a ceremony at the St. Edward Church on July 10, 1999, officiated by Father Dado Parenas, attended by their loved ones, close friends and relatives, where they were united in friendship, in love, and in holy matrimony. Following the wedding was a reception where their parents were privileged and honored to deliver inspirational speeches. Opening my speech, I said, "This morning, while I and Nanay were walking down the aisle together with Joy, tears rolled down our cheeks. Not because we were losing a daughter, but tears of joy because we were gaining a son." I concluded my speech by giving them a piece of advice, and so to Joy I said, "Joy, never ever argue with Riz, because Riz is a lawyer." And to Riz I said, "Riz, never ever argue with Joy, because Joy is a woman." Obviously, they heeded my advice. They were blessed with beautiful children who are the shining stars and jewels of their lives. And so tonight, ladies and gentlemen, we are all gathered here to celebrate with them the 25th wedding anniversary. Riz and Joy, it is my prayer, as it has always been, that Lord Almighty will continue to shower you with gifts of life, good health, love, joy, peace, and prosperity. May plenty of wishes come your way, not just for the day, not just for the year, but forever. May you continue to grow together, older and happier. May your family flourish. May God bless you now and always. My friends, may I request you to rise, and let us please give Riz and Joy a big round of applause. Thank you very much.